Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Presidents of the Federal Member States, distinguished Excellencies from our partner friends, all protocols observed. It's a great honor for me to attend my first national security conference yesterday and the first Somali Partner Forum. This conference occurs at a period of great challenges, but also of great opportunity. The challenges arise from the fact that due to the rejection of our population of the extremist ideology, the dedication and the sacrifice of our armed forces and our AMISOM brothers and sisters, the goodwill and support of our international partners, the Shabaab is weaker than ever. But as has been proven time and time again, they are more dangerous when they are at their weakest, and this has been shown in the last few months. It's also a great opportunity for us to come together, especially in the last few days, to have and to develop a common understanding of the challenges we face, to agree on a common front, to dedicate ourselves to the restructuring, reforming, and re-equipping of our armed forces, and to start this campaign afresh. It is a great opportunity for us because as a result of the atrocities that have happened in the last few months, the rejection of our population is the basis for which we base all our commitments. But unless we pool our resources and share our ideas and reconstitute our armed forces in a way that is answering to the challenges that we face, we may lose this perfect opportunity that we have. We have for the first time a clear path forward. We need to reform our armed forces. We need to reintegrate them. We need to reconstitute them. We need to re-equip them. And we have pledged for this effort. Excellencies, as the youngest of the federal member states, Hirshabelle is facing challenges that is unique to us, mainly because of our proximity to Mogadishu and the lack of resources that have been put into our security sector. But it's also an opportunity to start things on a clean slate, and on that effort, I'm glad to report that we are taking the first steps in a new police force, in a new reconstituted and recreated SNA, and we are very much relying on the goodwill and support and collaboration of our AMISOM brothers, and we are very confident that with your goodwill and with your support, we can win this fight. Thank you very much.